excited to have MBCA host them here at the Hard Rock Hotel Casino in Atlantic City at the Hard Rock Cafe, which is located right in the middle of the property. We're excited to be teaming up with MBCA, to raise money for scholarships and the scholarship fund. And we're just excited to be here. We're excited for all the hard work that MBCA and Hard Rock did together to make this event happen. And we're happy everyone was able to come out and enjoy themselves, and hopefully they enjoy the new property.
They will. Joey, thank you so much. And thanks for hosting us here. That's amazing. And make sure to check out the MBCA and all they do for the community.